Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these super cute dangly jack-o'-lantern earrings, perfect for Halloween. So after you have all of your pieces ironed and they have cooled off, we will be ready to make this craft. So first thing you're going to need is, of course, your actual jack-o'-lanterns, and then you will need an earring hook and 4 jump rings. 2 of them are 6mm and 2 of them are 4mm. And then you will need some jewelry pliers. So the first thing I'll be doing is attaching the pumpkins together. So you're just going to take a jump ring, one of the bigger jump rings, and open it up. And then I'm going to put it through the bottom of the pumpkin, of the very first pumpkin actually, just like that. And now we are going to go to the stem of our second pumpkin and put our jump ring through there too, just like that. And then you are going to grab onto that jump ring and close it up. Now we're going to do the same thing to attach our third pumpkin. So I'm going to open up this second big jump ring and then go to our second pumpkin and put the jump ring through the bottom, and then take our third pumpkin and put the jump ring through the stem, and then close that jump ring up. And now I'm going to take one of my 4mm jump rings and open it up, and then I'm going to put it through the stem of the top pumpkin. And now I'm going to close up the jump ring. Now I'm going to open up my second small jump ring, and I'm going to put it through that first small jump ring that's through the stem. And then I'm going to put my earring hook on there too. And then I'm going to close up that jump ring, just like that. And now you have these super cute, dangly jack-o'-lantern perler bead earrings, perfect for Halloween. These are just so cute and easy to make, and I'm so happy with them. I can't wait to wear them this month for Halloween. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to see other Halloween related videos this month. But other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy Halloween, and thanks for watching.